Ryder, come see me. Come here. Come here. That's a dog toy. Let's get the duck out of the way. Come here. Come see me. Come here. Come here. Aw, I see how it is. You're gonna get all those toys. Come here. Come show me how you can crawl. Come here. Look what I got. I got cool stuff over here. Look. Good job, Bubba. Right. Yay! Keyboard, you got it. Ryder. Ryder Clark. Look at Mommy. That was a good job. Good job. You're crawling. You gonna stand up now? Go, boy. You just started crawling. Are you gonna start walking? Ryder.